Alright, this is part 3 of World's Strongest Engine 67. The last part of 2022, and then it's over. 2023's here. So if you hear some fireworks go off in the background, I'm sorry. It's just them. So we have 44 engines remaining. So let's have Percy and 2012 Spencer to start off. 2012 Spencer, Percy wins. Talking Percy versus Busy Bee James. Busy Bee James is gone. Reboot with versus Reboot Diesel. Uh-oh. There goes Reboot with. And now we have Reboot Kenji versus Hurricane. Hurricane's out. After this, I'm done making videos in 2022, and then 2023's here. And if you hear some fireworks go off, yeah, people are just setting them off because they know it's New Year's. We have Talking Edward versus Arthur now. Excuse me. I think we'll give that to you, Arthur. And then we have Celebration James and Celebration Nia. And there goes Celebration James. Celebration Nia. Now, Buddy Carly versus Thomas and Terrence. The 8 lucky winners will come and see the fireworks with me later. Reboot Emily versus Percy's Cargo Adventure. Goodbye, Percy's Cargo Adventure. Good riddance. Time for Flora and Action Sugar. Got confused then. Uh-oh. Oh, Action Sugar fell off the track, so he's out. After this, I think we'll have 22 engines. Alright, time for Kana and Belle. Oh, Tyler. Oh, Belle's out. And then Henry and Winston versus Shiny Nia. Go. Henry and Winston's out. Party Train Percy versus Monkey Palace Thomas. Monkey Palace Thomas stays on, so. Alright, time for Young Bao and Turbo Thomas. Whoa! Alright, let's try that again. That was too unfair. Whoa! Jesus Christ. That was fast for Turbo Thomas. Time for Rosie and Scarloey. Go. Goodbye, Rosie. Scarloey, well done. Santa's Train versus Duck. Go. Oh, try again. Ah! So just try and get moving. What? Hang on, he's derailed a bit. Oh! Santa's train's out. I think Duck's gonna get second again, I don't know. Now we have Donald and Racing Percy. Go. Uh-oh. Donald. Let's try again. And one last time. And then we have Bruno. There we go. Racing Percy's out. Time for Mavis and Talking Thomas. Oh, he's trying again. And Talking Thomas is out. Mavis won. McCall's Farm Thomas versus McCall's Farm Percy. Go. Oh, and McCall's Farm Thomas is out. Then we have Percy versus Confused Thomas. Percy is out. Birthday Thomas versus... We only have 6 engines left. Birthday Thomas, you can go up against Panda Percy. Go. Birthday Thomas is out. Panda Percy wins. And then we'll have Chocolate Percy and Golden Thomas. Go. Try again. Chocolate Percy's out, and I knocked over the camera for the 3rd time today. Wow. I'm proud of myself. And then, last but not least, for the 3rd round, we have Deliver the Wind Diesel and Matumbo. Go. Matumbo wins. So, New Percy, Talking Percy, Reboot Diesel, Reboot Kenji, Arthur, Celebration Nia, Muddy Carly, Reboot Emily, Flora, Connor, Shiny Nia, Monkey Palace Thomas, Turbo Thomas, Scarlowy, Duck, Donald, Mavis, McCall's Farm Percy, Confused Thomas, Panda Percy, Golden Thomas, and Matumbo. 22 engines are remaining. And then we'll have 11, but we'll have to get rid of 3. So, yeah. And then the quarterfinals. So this is the 4th round. So we'll get started with Duck and Reboot Diesel. 3, 2, 1, go. Try again. One last try. I seen Duck go backwards a bit. Yeah, I think Duck's out. Sorry, Duck. Reboot Diesel, go back here. McCall's Farm Percy versus Mavis. Mavis stayed on to defeat him. And I knocked over the camera again. Jesus Christ, I am good at filming. Now we'll have Skarloey and Confused Thomas. Go. Skarloey is out. Confused Thomas wins. Time for Reboot Kenji versus Kana. Go. Kenji wins. Time for Arthur and Celebration Nia. I remember what you two did back then. Yep. Arthur wins. Now, Turbo Thomas is going up against Shiny Nia. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Let's try this again. Wait. One last time. Shiny Nia is out. Muddy Carly versus Reboot Emily. No! Reboot Emily. Oh! Reboot Emily wins. Time for Flora and Monkey Palace Thomas. Uh-oh. Hey, what the frick? Flora will have to get dive. Then we have 3 Percys. So how about Percy's go up against people? Panda Percy, you can go up against Donald. 3, 2, 1, go. Uh-oh. Wait, hang on, I'm trying that again. I've seen something up here. Whoa! Look at Donald! Donald moves on. Sorry, Panda Percy. And then we have Talking Percy versus Matombo. Alright, let's try this again. And one last try, but Percy and Bruno. Go. Yep, I think Matombo got that one. So then Talking Percy's out. That means all the talking engines are out. And last but not least, we have Percy versus Golden Thomas. Ooh, I think I've seen Percy stay on longer, so he wins. That means we only have 11 engines left, but I think we'll have to make it into 8. Or we could just stick with it. You know what? Let's stick with 11. How about that? So then we have Reboot Emily versus Turbo Thomas. Oh, try again. Alright, try again. I think Reboot Emily stayed on longer, so goodbye, Turbo Thomas. Reboot Emily, you'll move on. Reboot Diesel versus Mavis. Uh-oh! Oh, that didn't look good for Mavis. Let's try this again. You only have 2 more tries, Mavis. Okay, one more then. I think that first one, I would either give it to Mavis because... Alright, try again. Mavis, I don't think you'll have a chance here. Uh-oh. You're not doing anything. Reboot Diesel! Oh. There goes Reboot Diesel. Mavis, you move on. Confused Thomas versus Percy. 3, 2, 1, go. Confused Thomas! No! I'll just put you here because you might be. And then we'll have Reboot Kenji and Arthur. Go. Arthur! You won! Flora versus Matombo then. 3, 2, 1, go. I think Flora stayed on the track longer, so Matombo will just have to go. And then Donald. I want to bring back 2 engines, so let's make it fair and just bring back Confused Thomas and Reboot Kenji. If everyone isn't fine about that, well, I'm sorry. So Matombo will just have to go there. So, the final 8 engines, I had to bring 2 back because it wouldn't be fair. So, now, the final 8. I can't believe all of yous are the final 8. So, first we'll have Donald and Arthur. 3, 2, 1, go. So all you guys are watching the fireworks then. Donald is 8th. Next up, Reboot Emily versus Reboot Kenji. Reboot Emily is 7th. And now, Mavis versus Confused Thomas. Go. Confused Thomas is 6th. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Percy versus Flora. 3, 2, 1, go. Flora is 5th. Semi-finals time. Reboot Kenji versus Mavis. I want to change it up a bit. Uh-oh. Mavis, you might lose. Mavis is going on to the finals for the mega competition. Who will she face? Arthur or Percy? 3, 2, 1, go. Percy! Wait, 3rd place battle. Arthur versus Reboot Kenji. Arthur is 3rd. Reboot Kenji's 4th. And Arthur, you are 3rd. But now, we're about to find out who the ultimate winner is in the final round. Percy versus Mavis. Who will win? I want to have dramatic music in the background, so I'm going to do it with my mouth. Wow. Donald 8th. Reboot Emily 7th. Confused Thomas 6th. Flora 5th. Kenji 4th. Arthur 3rd. Percy 2nd. But the ultimate winner for 2022 is Mavis! Woo! Whee! Well done, Mavis, and you 8 engines. You are going to come and see the fireworks with me later. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful year of videos in 2022, and we'll see you tomorrow for 2023. Bye, everybody. Bye.